Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all for tuning in. Today's video I'll be showing you all how to make this delicious crunchy chicken. Please stay tuned and keep watching. I'll be using 6 chicken legs. For the spices, I'm going to be using paprika, nutmeg, black pepper, onion powder, salt, Maggi powder, ginger powder, and garlic powder. You can use any spices of your choice. I like to mix all the spices together before pouring it on the chicken. Next, I will use my hand to rub the spices on the chicken. I'm going to be marinating this chicken with 2 eggs. I'll cover the bowl and leave it in my fridge to marinate for about 45 minutes. The longer it marinates, the tastier the chicken will be. You can also do this method overnight. For 45 minutes later, in another bowl, I will crack in 2 eggs. I'm adding 1 cup of low-fat milk, some black pepper, some salt. I'm going to mix it together. I'll set it aside. To coat the chicken, I'm using 2 cups of baking flour. I will add 2 tablespoons of corn flour to give it extra crunchiness. So I'm going to be adding the same spices I used to marinate the chicken. This is going to give it extra flavor. After the chicken has marinated for 45 minutes, so now we are going to do the coating. I'm going to coat the chicken with the flour mix. Then I'll dip it into the milk and repeat the coating. I will transfer it on my tray and repeat the same process to the remaining chicken. When I am done coating all the chicken, I'll go ahead and preheat my vegetable oil. I will place the chicken in the oil. So I'm going to be frying this on a medium heat so that the inside will cook well. I'll be frying both sides for about 6 to 8 minutes on a medium heat. I'll fry it in golden brown. The chicken I've been frying on a medium heat for about 15 minutes. It's well cooked and fried. So I'll bring it out of the oil and transfer it on a paper towel to drain out the excess oil in it. This is the chicken, so delicious, crunchy. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.